what's up, fellas? Yes, it's me. Are you over 40 and wondering if it's too late to start a career in IT? Maybe you have spent years in another field, or took time off to raise a family, or just never saw yourself as technical. But now, with the rising demand for tech jobs, you're wondering if this is your moment or if it's even possible. Let me clear this up right away. It is possible. And not only that, it's happening every single day. People in their 40s, 50s are breaking into IT and changing their lives. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start an IT career after 40, even with zero experience. I'll also share my perspective as an IT manager and why your age can actually work in your favor. Are you ready for this? Let's dig. Let's start with the fear. I've talked to so many people who are interested in IT, but they feel unsure because of their age. They'll say things like, well, I'm too old to learn something new, or tech companies only want young people, or I'll never catch up because I'm not a digital native. If that sounds like you, please know these fears are normal, but they're not based on reality. You're not too old. You're not behind. You don't need to be a genius or have grown up with computers. What you do need is focus, a willingness to learn, and a step-by-step plan. And that's exactly what we are going to walk through next. Now, here's the truth. IT is one of the best industries for career changers. You don't need a fancy computer science degree or a whole lot of tech experience. There are roles which require soft skills just as much as technical skills. And that's where your life experience becomes an advantage. Think about it. If you have worked in customer service, healthcare, teaching, logistics, or a police officer, or anything which requires patience, communication, and problem solving, you already have what so many employers are looking for. The technical part, you can absolutely learn it, but maturity, reliability, and emotional intelligence, that's where people over 40 shine. Let me speak from personal experience. I've been an IT manager and I have hired many people in tech roles. And let me tell you this, age has never been a deciding factor for me. What I look for is an attitude, compatibility, follow through, and ability to learn. Some of the best people that I've hired started their IT career later in life. They were dependable, focused, took their role seriously. As a manager, I value people who show up, ask good questions, and take initiative. If that's you, your age won't be a barrier. In fact, it might be your edge. Now let's get into how a practical step-by-step roadmap to get started in IT. Even if you're starting from zero. Step number 1, pick a beginner-friendly role. IT support, help desk, desktop support, or IT field technician are great starting points. They are in demand, they teach you how real systems work, and they often lead to higher paying roles later on. Step number 2, get certified. 2 of the best entry-level certifications are Google IT Support Certification and CompTIA A+. These will give you the foundational knowledge employers expect from entry-level candidates. Step number 3, use free or low-cost learning resources. Platforms like Professor Messer on YouTube or hands-on platforms like Test Out and Try Hack Me can help you reinforce what you're learning and start practicing real-world tasks. Step number 4, build a simple home lab. You don't need anything fancy. An old laptop and free tools like VirtualBox can help you set up virtual machines, experiment with networks, and practice troubleshooting, all from home. Step number 5, start sending your resumes and networking. Fix up your LinkedIn profile to reflect your new skills and goals. Connect with other IT professionals. Start applying even before you feel perfect. entry-level or contract roles are great for gaining confidence and experience. Step number 6, learn Linux and consider it as a serious career path. Here's something that a lot of younger folks overlook, but you shouldn't. As an IT manager, I have seen this time and time again. Everybody's chasing cloud, cybersecurity, or DevOps, which are great paths, don't get me wrong, but highly competitive. Meanwhile, Linux powers a huge portion of the tech world, from servers and databases to cloud infrastructure. Guys, it's everywhere, and yet very few wants to touch it. Why? Because it's boring. But here's the opportunity for you. Many small or large organizations, especially in enterprise and government, need people to manage Linux systems. Those jobs are not fancy, but they are stable. They're critical and often fly under the radar. A lot of 40-plus professionals who want a long-term, reliable path find Linux to be a perfect fit. It's not flashy, that's why young people don't want to touch it, but it's very important. And here's the most important part, guys. It pays really well. See, now I got your attention. If you want to carve out a niche that makes you valuable and hard to replace, Linux is worth your attention. I've been working in IT for so many years, and I have never met anybody with Linux skills and unemployed. Can you believe that? Guys, here's what you have to remember. You're not starting over. You're starting smarter. You've already built a career, raised a family, managed stress, and figured things out under pressure. Now you're taking that experience and applying it in a new direction. That's a strength, not a weakness. Yes, you'll need to learn new tools and terms, but you have learned before and you'll do it again. The key is to take small but consistent baby steps. One course, one practice session, one job application at a time. If you're 40, 50, or even older, don't let the fear keep you out of the tech. You absolutely belong here. The IT field needs people with maturity, focus, and real-world experience. And the beautiful thing is, you don't need to know everything. You just need to be committed to learning and growing. You've got options, whether it's IT support, networking, Linux, or cybersecurity. There's a place for you in tech. You just have to start. So that's it, folks. If this video gave you some inspiration or direction, do me a solid. Leave me a comment below and let me know where you're starting from. Are you switching from another field? Coming back after a break? Let's talk. I love your comments. And the most important part, don't forget to subscribe. This channel is all about helping beginners and career changers and help build real IT career one step at a time. Guys, you're not too late. This is your time. Let's build your future together. Until next time, take care of yourself and others, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.